I used to think the only way to get a flat stomach was doing endless crunches, hundreds of them, day after day. And if you're like most people, you probably believe the same thing. Crunch harder, crunch longer, burn the belly fat. But here's the truth that shocked me. Crunches were actually slowing my progress, and the moment I stopped doing them, my stomach started getting flatter. Not in months, but in weeks. So, if you're doing crunches every day and still looking in the mirror wondering why your belly isn't changing, stay with me because what I'm about to show you works much better. And the last exercise in this routine is the one most people skip even though it activates the deepest core muscles responsible for a truly flat stomach. Welcome back to Workout Health Motivation, the channel where we break fitness myths and show you smarter ways to train your body. Today we're talking about something millions of people struggle with: belly fat and stubborn stomach bulge. The internet is full of 100 crunches a day challenges, but the problem is crunches mostly work only the front abdominal muscles, the rectus abdominis. They don't properly activate the deep stabilizing core muscles that actually pull your stomach inward and create that tight, flat look. That deeper muscle is called the transversus abdominis. Think of it like a natural corset wrapping around your waist. When it becomes stronger, your stomach automatically looks flatter even when you're relaxed. Another reason crunches fail is that they often cause neck strain and poor posture. Many people pull their head forward or arch their lower back. This not only reduces results but can also cause discomfort. Meanwhile, the body is incredibly smart. If we train it with the right movements that engage the entire core, burn calories, and improve stability, the stomach tightens much faster. So instead of wasting time doing endless crunches, here's the exact routine I switched to. These exercises activate the deep core, improve posture, and burn more calories, which means faster belly fat loss and a flatter stomach. The first exercise is the plank hold. Now, you've probably heard about planks before, but most people do them incorrectly. Start by placing your forearms on the floor directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs straight behind you and keep your body in one straight line from head to heels. Tighten your stomach like someone is about to poke your belly. Hold this position for 30 to 40 seconds. The magic of the plank is that it activates almost every core muscle at the same time. Instead of bending your spine like crunches do, it teaches your core to stabilize your entire body. That stability is what creates that tight, flat stoic look. The second exercise is the dead bug. The name might sound funny, but this movement is incredible for strengthening the deep core muscles. Lie on your back with your arms pointing toward the ceiling and your knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor while keeping your lower back pressed gently into the ground. Then return to the starting position and switch sides. Move slowly and with control. This exercise forces your core to stabilize your spine while your arms and legs move, which trains the transversus abdominis, the real flat stomach muscle. Next comes the mountain climber. This is where we add a calorie-burning element. Start in a push-up position with your hands under your shoulders. Bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs like you're running in place. Keep your core tight and your hips stable. Mountain climbers elevate your heart rate while constantly activating your abs. This combination helps burn belly fat faster while strengthening your core at the same time. The fourth movement is the glute bridge. Many people don't realize that weak glutes can actually cause the stomach to stick out more because of poor pelvic alignment. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels and lift your hips upward until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes and tighten your core at the top. Hold for a second, then slowly lower down. Strengthening your glutes improves posture and helps your stomach appear flatter even when standing. The fifth exercise is the side plank. If regular planks work the front of your core, side planks strengthen the muscles along the sides of your waistline. Lie on your side with your elbow under your shoulder and stack your legs. Lift your hips so your body forms a straight line. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. This movement targets the obliques and stabilizers that support your spine and tighten your waistline. Now here's the exercise that changed everything for me. Stomach vacuums. This is the movement most people have never tried, yet it directly targets the deepest abdominal muscle responsible for a flat stomach. Stand tall or sit upright. Take a deep breath, then slowly exhale all the air from your lungs. Now pull your belly button inward toward your spine as much as possible and hold that contraction. It might feel strange at first, but this exercise literally trains your body to hold the stomach inward naturally. Hold the vacuum for 10 to 15 seconds, then relax and repeat. When I started doing these exercises instead of crunches, something surprising happened. My stomach didn't just feel stronger during workouts, it stayed tighter all day long. My posture improved, my lower back felt better, and the small belly bulge that never disappeared with crunches slowly started flattening. But remember, no workout alone can completely remove belly fat. Nutrition plays a massive role. Reducing excess sugar, drinking enough water, and maintaining a slight calorie deficit helps the body burn stored fat. When fat decreases and your deep core muscles become stronger, that's when the flat stomach really starts appearing. Another important factor is consistency. You don't need to train for hours. This routine takes around 10 minutes. Do it 4 to 5 times a week. Over time, your core muscles will become stronger, your posture will improve, and your stomach will naturally pull inward. And here's something motivating to remember. A flat stomach isn't just about appearance. A strong core supports your spine, improves balance, increases athletic performance, and reduces injury risk. So every time you train these muscles, you're building a healthier body, not just chasing aesthetics. So, if you've been doing endless crunches hoping for a flat stomach, try switching to these smarter movements: planks for stability, dead bugs for deep core activation, mountain climbers for belly fat burning, glute bridges for posture, side planks for waist strength, and stomach vacuums for that powerful internal corset effect. If you stay consistent, you might experience the same surprise I did, realizing that the moment you stop relying on crunches, your stomach actually starts getting flatter. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe to Workout Health Motivation for more science-backed workouts that actually work. And before you leave, comment below and tell me which exercise you're going to try first. Your future, stronger, flatter stomach might start with that one decision today.